Hi guys, Nagaraj here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new for this channel, please do subscribe. Hi guys, welcome back to another video with the SQL query series. So in this video, we'll see few invalid SQL queries so that we'll come to know that exactly what is the mistake and how we can resolve that. Okay, so first one is like select department ID and sum of salary from the employee. That means if you are using some aggregate functions here, right, sum of salary, then we need to group it. The salary should be grouped as per the department wise. That is missing here, right? So if you write this query, you will get, so we can see here, this is the error, aggregated query without group by clause. That means group by clause is missing. So we can fix it by adding this group by department ID, because we are grouping the department as per the salary. We are summing the salary as per the department wise. So if you add this group by department ID, this query will be valid. So hope you understood this. What is the issue here? Next invalid query is select department ID and sum of salary, means we are grouping the department ID, the salary we are grouping as per the department, and I'm adding the one more filter here where employee ID is not equal to Pawan. That means I don't want this row. I'm ignoring the last record now. I'm ignoring this record, and remaining records I'm applying this rule. Like I'm grouping the salary as per the department ID. So still it is showing some error here in where class, because its a position is not proper, because after group by we can't use the where class. Okay, so we need to use before, see, once you select department ID sum of salary from the employee, where we need to, so that's what I'm written here, where employee ID is not equal to Pawan, then at the end you can go for the group by clause, right? So if you use this format, your query will be successful. Otherwise it will show syntax error, and here the reason is the where clause is not used to put the conditions before group by class. So next we'll go to the next one. In this query, we have some another invalid query. Select department ID and designation with the sum of salary from the employee, a group by department ID. Looks like it is properly we have given, right? Because after the employee only group by department you are using, but it is showing error because whenever we use select list column which are selected, so here we are selected two columns, department ID and the designation, two columns are selected. In that case, if you are applying the group by, we need to include these two columns also. Whichever the column you will select, right, those columns should be added in a group by. Since I have added only one column, that is department ID, so designation is missing here. That's why it is showing error. Okay, we have added here select department ID designation, sum of salary from the employee, and the group by department ID and designation. So in that case, it will be displayed two. It will display two column department ID and designation grouped by the department ID and designation. In this invalid query, we have added. Suppose I want to add one more record here. Suppose I want to add one more record in this table. So we can use. So how we can insert the data record by using the. We can use insert into. We can able to add this, right? So insert into employee values. So I'm adding null Vishal Bangalore 55,000 HR and 75. It is showing error here because whenever you are adding null value to the employee ID, because we have already defined while creating this table, we define like the employee ID table is a primary key. So okay, we have defined that as a primary key. Employee ID table we have defined as a primary key while creating the table data, right? So now what's the primary key? Primary key is a combination of unique plus not null. You should add only unique value, and also it should not be a not null. So that's why it is showing error here. As we are adding null here, as we are inserting the null employee ID, that's why it is showing error. So we can avoid by adding the unique value. So already 101 to 106 already there. I'm adding one more data, 107 as employee ID. I'm adding Vishal, and address is Bangalore, and salary, designation, and the department ID I'm adding. In this case, it will be it will show no issue. Yeah, in this query, I'm writing like select designation count of star from the employee where salary is greater than 55,000, 65,000, and order by designation. And having the count, again I'm doing some filtering out. The count is greater than or equal to 1, then group by is the designations. Here only one mistake here, because of that is invalid, because ordering is not proper. Always order should be, first should be the where class, then should be the group by, then should be having. At the end we need to write a group by, sorry, order by class. So here order is getting changed in here, because my final intention is I need to display the designation with its count and the salary, where the salary is greater than 65,000, and they should be ordered by designation and the grouped by the designations. So in that case we need to go for this flow only. First we need to be, because here where till here it is fine, but the have clause we need to use after the group by. After group by should come and order by clause should come after this. So that's what here written. Select designation, count, and from the employee where the salary is greater than 65,000 and group by designation and having class, because I'm filtering out some few things, and finally I'm using the order by class with the designation. So in this way we can able to achieve the valid SQL query. If you like this video, please hit like button and please share with your friends, those who are looking for the SQL queries related questions. Don't forget to subscribe this channel for further useful videos, guys. Thank you.